Assalamu alaikum students, this is your grammar lecture and in this lecture we will learn about tenses. Students, you know very well tense means time. Tense means time. It shows the period or time of action, and there are three types of tense: present, past and future. And there are 12 branches of tense. Today we will learn about past continuous tense. And in our previous lecture, students, we have learned present continuous tense. As you know very well, present means maujuda, continuous means jari. Basically, present continuous tense shows the continuity of action in the present time. But past continuous tense shows the continuity of action in the past time. You know, past means mazi or guzra hua time. Past means mazi or guzra hua time, and continuous means jari. It means that past continuous tense shows the continuity of action in the past, mean work is going on but in the past, यानी कि गुजरे हुए टाइम में. And the recognition of past continuous tense in Urdu, we use रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे at the end of the sentence. And students, you know very well there are 4 types of sentences: simple sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, negative and interrogative sentence. Today we will learn about simple sentence of past continuous tense. Here is the structure of past continuous tense of simple sentence. So firstly, in English we use subject, then helping verb. And students, there are 2 helping verbs in past continuous tense: was and were. Then verb. In verb we use first one plus ing. Ing shows the continuity of action. Then we use object. And students, you know what is subject, verb and object. Subject is that person who performs action in the sentence. And verb, it is that action which is going on in the sentence. And object is that person or thing on which work is going on. Students, here are subjects and their helping verbs. With he, she, it and I, we use was. Students, here he, she, it are singular subjects, but I is plural subject. But according to the rule of past continuous tense, with I we always use was. And we, they, you, these are plural subjects. With these subjects we will use here were. So how many helping verbs we use in past continuous tense? 2 helping verbs, was and were. Here are some examples of past continuous tense. Like here, our Urdu sentence is दुकानदार कच्चे फल बेच रहा था. The translation of this sentence in English: shopkeeper was selling unripe fruit. Here, shopkeeper is subject because he is performing action, and was is helping verb according to shopkeeper. Shopkeeper is singular, that's why we have used here was. And selling is verb. With sell, we have used here ing in order to show the continuity of the action. And unripe fruit is here object because the work is going on कच्चे फल. Got the point? Next sentence is खाकरूब गलियों में झाड़ू लगा रहे थे. Sweepers were sweeping the streets. Here sweepers are more than one. These are plurals. That's why we have used here were. Next, मैं अपने बाल संवार रही थी. I was doing my hair. Here doing we have used here for संवारना. Hopefully students, you got enough clarity about past continuous tense. Past continuous tense shows the continuity of action in the past. Past means mazi, guzra hua time. And there are 2 helping verbs of past continuous tense: was and were. Students, once again I will tell you about the structure of simple sentence. Firstly we use subject, then helping verb, verb and object. And students, in simple sentence we don't ask any question, or we don't use negation, and we put full stop at the end of the simple sentence. Now students, you will create 5 simple sentences of past continuous tense by yourself in your homework.